Girl. What do you think it is, Colton?
It did change, but...
Colton.
Colton, what do you think is going to be?
You think you're having a sister or a brother?
No.
Can you? I can't see you, but you can see us?
I can see you.
Okay. Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Colton. Hi, Nana. The brown
Ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Hold on. Hold on. Where's yours? Daddy's got yours.
Oh.
What are we gonna have?
Girl. Is somebody videoing this?
Yeah, Donna is.
Okay.
The girl
Ready?
or boy? I think it's a girl. 1,
2, 3.
It's the girl.
Oh! Girls rule!
Are you sure?
Let me see.
To me.
Is it a girl? That one's a girl. I can't see the color.
Yay!
Oh, poor Colton. He's going to be the only boy. Just like his daddy was.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Well, they'll just have to have another one.
No way.
Colton said, no way.
What did you want? Did you want a brother?
Did you want a brother or a sister?
No brother, sister.
Brother, sister.
He wanted twins.
And we probably didn't show you, did we? There. You see? It's pink.
It kind of looks a little blue, too. Maybe it's twins. Maybe there's a boy and a girl. It kind of looks a little blue.
Don't you put that evil on me.